Hi, my name's David, and I'm a software engineer in the real estate industry. And on a scale from 1 to 5, I'd give Mailgun a 5 out of 5. Our team considered SendGrid for an email solution, but ultimately we went with Mailgun because a lot of teammates had more experience using their product, and we wanted to keep things consistent. We chose Mailgun because a lot of our teammates had familiarity with the product, as well as as Mailgun has very good pricing and has a free tier for you to test things out and make sure that it's going to be a good solution for you. Mailgun's API was pretty easy to integrate as it's rather straightforward. The only thing is Mailgun's JavaScript library is no longer maintained, so we had to go with straight up curl requests instead of using their SDK. My advice to anyone trying to integrate Mailgun into their product would be to simply use the example curl requests that the website gives to get an idea of the API, and then to dive right in and start coding against it, and should be pretty straightforward.